This is Maritime Museum, and we're walking up the stairs to go to the bridge. The blinking ornaments are public art made from the old port cranes. The neon colors change. I'm on the bridge, but strangely, I have an impression I see fewer fireworks than last year. Anyway, I stopped for a while around here, and maybe after 10 or 15 minutes I'll go to the object, illuminated object, where I took shots of fireworks last year, as I still believe there should be the best place for photo shooting fireworks. We see fireworks across the bridge, but the point of fireworks are too far. It doesn't make much sense for taking photos from here, and the other side of the bridge is closed. So what I can do now is just be patient and wait, focusing on this side. But a few people are waiting here to see fireworks. Now you can see fireworks here and there. I feel the new year, the moment of new year is approaching. The fireworks were shot more and more frequently, so I decided to go down to the riverside. It's 5 minutes to New Year. And it has become noisier. It's about 2 minutes before the new year. This year, it felt like we had to wait a little longer before the fireworks finally began. That said, once they started, they were the most intense fireworks I've seen so far. Almost as if they had been built up and released all at once. The surroundings were washed in daylight-like brightness, which on the other hand made photographing them quite challenging. Someone is shooting fireworks on the bridge. I don't think it's safe, but today it's New Year. In Poland, anything can be possible. There's no restriction of shooting a place to shoot fireworks in Poland. So beautiful, unbelievable. The fireworks been carrying on quite a long time, probably longer than last year. But you see, there is smoke, and the smoke from the fireworks, and not quite easy to take clear photos. This year, mist rose over the river, creating some atmospheric and very good photographs, but I wasn't able to capture any images I felt truly satisfied with. Since fireworks can be seen here once a year, I hope to continue returning and with time take better photographs. Now it is 12:45 and it is much quieter around here. I think about going home, but before that I can visit the old town as I mentioned before. So I hope you all have nice new year, and you're welcome to read my blog with my Facebook page where my photos are regularly updated, and Bluemoment shops. There are very unique items available in my online shop. So hope I can also produce interesting videos. So happy new year everybody. Goodbye.